Look, a lot of y'all watch my videos and ain't subscribed. Yeah, I see the analytics every week, every day, okay? And what are you doing? Because you watching my videos and you ain't subscribed. So you need to get it together because that ain't cool.
You know you bad, babe. You know I like it, these shorties that try to touch, babe. You from the project, but so retarded. Just give me all of that pussy, so many options. Now you got me calling, all these different numbers. Why you being selfish? You know that I want you. You really been working. You deserve a virgin.
Hey baby loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this cute, fun, like holiday look, like if you want to go out. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys get updates. And this is, like I said, a fairly simple look. I used like one palette to get this eyeshadow look, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into this video because I won't be rambling. Okay, so I am taking the Dior Undercover Coverage Foundation. I think that's the name of it. I don't remember the name, but anyways, I'm taking that in the shade 45 and I am stippling that all over my face. So here's where things get really interesting. So went to the beauty supply store and I purchased some dollar concealers, and I was just testing out makeup. I'm always going in the beauty supply trying out the makeup that they have just to see if it's like a hit or miss. And let me just tell you, this concealer from Palladio was a complete miss. I went over it with my foundation and it was a tragedy for real. Like I don't know, you guys have to just watch the clips, but I ended up fixing and correcting it. I just went over the concealer with LA Girl Pro Conceal, and it ended up meshing out. And I also used the Black Opal foundation stick to cream contour. So I've really been into cream contour these days, and yeah, but just watch these next few clips and you will see exactly what I'm talking about with this concealer. It's trash, like completely canceled. So come on, baby. But I will say, can y'all see this? Like, canceled.
Bruh.
Wow. So I learned this little trick from watching Aaliyah J's video. She's like one of my favorite YouTubers. Like, I just watch her all the freaking time. But yeah, I learned this little trick. It really does help like carve your face and give you really that snatched like cheekbone. It's lit.
All is said and done.
everything blended out. I kind of just have some setting powder under my eye to catch any fallout. I'm taking this black gel liner. It's a super cheap gel liner, hence the color payoff I feel like is not as vibrant. But I'm taking that, blending that, and applying that on my lid, then blending it out. And then I'm going to take my Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, and it's basically kind of self-explanatory. I'm pointing to every shade, so just watch the next few clips and you'll see what I will come up with.
That's good.
Okay, so I'm just going through and taking this wand curler and curling my hair. I just wanted to show you guys how I get like my super soft curls. I've had this hair honestly for about 1.5 years, almost 2 years. Yeah, and this hair is holding up really good. I bought this hair from a company called Strandz in Columbus, Ohio, so you guys definitely should check out their site. Their hair is really great quality. This is their straight hair in 22-inch 18, 20, 22 and a 18-inch closure, but this hair is kind of old, so it's probably like a 20-inch wig now. But yeah, and now I'm just taking these 3 shades in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to smudge that on my bottom waterline. Okay, so this is the most important part of the look. What I'm doing is taking a dark brown and I am basically lightly smudging that and winging it out, and then I'm going to wing it in and kind of taper it into my lash line, and I'm going to drag it kind of to the middle. So it's lash time. I'm taking the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Okay, this is the sample size, so don't come for me as to why my wand is so small. It's a simple size. And I'm going to take these $2.99 lashes I got from the beauty supply and apply those off camera, set my face with my Matte Fix Plus, and then I'm going to highlight. It's my favorite time of the makeup look. I'm taking the Anglola highlighter from the crayon case. One of the cast members from the show I used to work on gave this to me, and she's a partner with the company, and oh my gosh, it speaks for itself. Seriously, like bomb. Last but not least, it's time to line those lips. I'm just taking this brown lip liner, lining my lips. I'm doing of course my go-to pink nude lips. Maybe my next lip won't be a nude lip, but that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you all in my next video. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time, babies. Love you.